Today we're gonna make these pull-apart garlic knots in a muffin tin. Get started on making our pull-apart garlic knots. We're gonna start with ready-made, the Pillsbury biscuit dough here. So I'm gonna take this, open this up. This is a super easy recipe. Start to finish, 20 minutes. We're gonna take these out and we're gonna cut these circles into 4. So cut that. And then I have here in this bowl some melted butter. So I'm gonna actually add them right to the melted butter because we have to get them all coated with all the delicious ingredients before we bake them. So I'm gonna cut them. So now we're gonna add the rest of our ingredients. So we have garlic salt. We're gonna do minced garlic. We're gonna do mozzarella cheese, some Parmesan cheese, and some chopped parsley. You can use parsley flakes if you like to. And we're gonna mix this up. Make sure we get all of this all over each one of our little pieces of dough. Nice and cheesy, nice and garlicky. And now I have a muffin tin here. I'm gonna take the muffin tin. I preheated the oven at 375. I'm gonna take the muffin tin and put 3 pieces of this in each one of the muffin tins. Perfect. Now we're gonna pop them in the oven. Beautiful, nice golden brown color. Can't wait to dig into these. This is definitely a crowd pleaser, but also a good kid-friendly side dish that you can make with pasta. My kids love chicken parm, so garlic knots are gonna be a big hit for them. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram for more entertaining tips. You can also check out my Amazon store for my must-haves. Enjoy!